Hello, welcome to Dimple's an Arabian journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursday. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. So today's unique recipe out of the box is very famous and a very popular dish, that is Suji or Rava Masala Idli. This is a very sponge-like idli, can be made in minutes. So let us start with our instant Rava idli. Look onto the main ingredient, which is fine suji, that is instant Rava, and equal quantities of yogurt or curd, which is approx 225 ml, that is 1 cup. Also 2 by 3 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of salt, or as per your taste. The water is at the room temperature. And for the tadka, that is the tempering part, here I've used some curry leaves, handful, and 1 teaspoon of haldi, 1 tablespoon of zira, that is cumin, mustard seed, equal quantity, 1 tablespoon, and equal quantities of chana dal, that is 1 tablespoon. 1 by 8 teaspoon of soda. This is Khane Wala edible baking soda. You can also replace it by using Eno. So here you need to just transfer the semolina, that is the rava, into a bowl, and then along with that I'm just transferring the yogurt also and mixing them, combining well together. You could also use or replace yogurt with a homemade curd, which is also fine, but see that make sure that it's room temperature. Salt as per your taste, or 1 tablespoon, and give it a good quick mix. Keep on mixing for next 8 to 10 minutes. So if I could say, this is the most important part, the highlighted part, that how well you combine them together. The salt, the yogurt or the curd, and the semolina, which is the rava. You need to really mix them very good. For you all to see this, I have not edited this main part. Now the resting part. You need to just cover them and let it rest for next 10 minutes. This is the exact texture what I was looking for. It has puffed up well, and now it's equally important to set it. So you just need to cover them and let it set for next 10 minutes. So 10 minutes of mixing all together and 10 minutes of rest. Meanwhile, you can just grease around 3 racks or stack of idli malls. Now in a pan, you could just add some oil, around 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then goes the mustard seed and zira, that is cumin. Let it splatter well for next 30 seconds. Now add in some curry leaves, fresh or dried, your choice, and let it mix for next 30 seconds. Now you could add the chana dal and just give them a slight mix. And at last you can add some turmeric or haldi and just mix them well so that you remove the raw texture of the haldi. Give them a quick mix for next 10 seconds. Be careful that you don't burn them. Just turn off the flame. After 10 minutes of rest, now you could just add the water batch wise, slowly, little by little. Keep mixing and adding water. Room temperature water, please. It will be very difficult if you add the water in a go. So it's better to use the water or add the water into batches and keep on mixing them for next 10 minutes. So here I haven't edited any part so that you can actually see how the formation of the texture is taking place. So I'm just adding the water batch wise and being very patient while mixing it. I haven't edited any part in between for this main reason, so that you can just see how exactly I'm doing it and how speeding up is a process in itself. Add water and speed up, add water and speed up. You just need to be patient for next 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. Don't overdo it. Don't over add the water. Just be patient and keep on adding as well as speeding up at the same time. Exact texture which I was looking forward to for the soft and sponge like Rava Idli. Out of 2 by 3 cup of water, only 2 tablespoons of water is remaining, which shall be discarded. And this is the exact texture I've been looking for. Now you can add the soda and give it a quick mix for next 30 seconds. Keep on mixing them well. This is a normal edible soda. You could also replace it by Eno. Now here I'm adding or incorporating all the tadka into the batter of idli, the semolina or the rava idli batter. Unlike the normal rice idlis which takes more than 8 to 10, 12 hours, this one is instant, but you just need to be very careful while mixing it. So this takes around 30 good minutes for me, which this quantity yields around 12 to 13 instant idlis. So it also depends upon the quantity. The portion is good enough, 13 to 14 pieces, if you could see. All set and ready to steam. Before adding the batter, see that you have greased the tray, the idli tray or the rack. Directly goes to the steaming for next 15 to 18 minutes. If undercooked or undone, you can increase it for more 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. So in total, I've used 18 minutes to steam my idlis. So exactly after good 18 minutes, my rava idlis, the piping hot rava idlis, are ready. So enjoy this delicious sponge-like masala rava idli, which is also instant, with Dimple's and Arabian Journey recipe. If you love and like my videos and enjoy watching them, please leave us with your valuable comments under the comment section below. Please also do follow us on our Facebook and Instagram page. The description box has the details in it. Thanks for watching. Stay home and stay safe.